To integrate Debank with Coinbase Wallet, start by understanding what Debank and Coinbase Wallet are. Debank is a comprehensive crypto portfolio tracker and management tool, while Coinbase Wallet is a popular digital wallet for storing and managing cryptocurrencies. The first step in integrating Debank with Coinbase Wallet is to create a Debank account if you do not already have one. Go to the Debank website and sign up using your email address and a secure password. After verifying your email address, you can log in to your Debank account. Next, navigate to the Add Wallet section on Debank and select Coinbase Wallet as the wallet type you want to add. You will be prompted to enter your Coinbase Wallet address, which can be found in the Settings or Account section of your Coinbase Wallet. After adding your Coinbase Wallet address to Debank, you will be able to track your Coinbase Wallet balances and transactions on the Debank platform. Debank will automatically sync your wallet data, providing you with a comprehensive view of your crypto portfolio. To get the most out of Debank and Coinbase Wallet integration, make sure to explore the various features and tools offered by Debank, such as portfolio tracking, transaction history, and price alerts. You can also use Debank to monitor your overall crypto portfolio performance and make informed investment decisions. When integrating Debank with Coinbase Wallet, it is essential to prioritize security and safety. Always use a secure and unique password for your Debank account, and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. In addition, make sure to only use the official Debank website and avoid clicking on suspicious links or providing your wallet information to unknown sources. By following these tips and best practices, you can safely and securely integrate Debank with Coinbase Wallet and take your crypto portfolio management to the next level.